Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove Gemini from Google Assistant. So, when you actually press, it's going to like do a screen kind of search for you, right? And you want to just remove it. So first thing you have to do is you have to go disable Gemini app first of all, and afterwards you go to your phone settings and you search for assistant, and you're going to show you the assistant settings, Google Assistant settings, right? So the first thing you have to do is scroll down and you're going to see digital assistant from Google. Click on that and you're going to change it to Google Assistant for the first one. So let's try. Then afterwards you have to go to where it says general settings for assistant, right? You click on this, you have to turn it off, and you also have to turn off um analyze on screen image and also on text. And once you do that, the Gemini would stop appearing once you click on the power button. But I feel like the power button have been programmed to actually bring up AIs for you, and you can just go scroll down on your phone and see the power button up right there. So that's actually how to just remove power button sorry, your Gemini from your power button, right? If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.